Hello and welcome to this Excel tutorial. Today we'll be talking about creating and editing drop-down lists. Now, what are drop-down lists? It's simply a list which is contained in a cell where you can click on a drop-down arrow and then your list will be shown and you can select any item in that list which you've selected previously. So how can this be useful? So whatever's in the drop-down list you can use to select different areas of your report, so then the summary only contains whatever's relevant to the drop-down list. It can also be used as a way of a control on your document so that other people can't input the wrong information. They can only input items that are contained in the drop-down list. So it's very effective in that way as well. So first things first, how do you create a drop-down list? Well, firstly, you have to create your list like so. Then you have to go to data, select your cell, and then go to data and then data validation, and then click on data validation, and you'll come up with this box here. So then you want allow list. Click on source, and firstly we're going to choose the days of the week, so Monday to Sunday. Press OK. You'll notice here that when you click on the cell, a drop down options bar has appeared, and then you have all the days of the week here. So things that can go wrong. So let's say you just thought, I'll select this list and go like this. So there's a blank there. So what happened? You've selected more than the list. So that gets included in the range that's included in your cell, the drop-down list in the cell. So you have to be careful of that. You can edit it by simply going to data, validation, and then modifying the list that is selected. So let's change this list now to read baskets. Let's say you were shopping and you wanted to choose your baskets. So I've deliberately left a gap, that will become clear. Simply data validation, and there we go. So here's baskets 1 to 12, and you notice there's a gap there because there's a gap here. So you can avoid that gap by simply deleting the row, or you can delete that cell and shift everything up. Same thing, and then the list updates automatically because it's within the original selected range. So if you wanted to add on an extra 2 baskets, you could add them onto the end, in which case you would have to go and update your list like so. I wasn't clicking on the right cell, and then baskets 13 and 14 would appear like so. Or a better way, an easier way, if you've got nothing over here which you want to, or you could insert like so, and then they'll be included in your drop-down list. But notice that the items appear as they appear in the list from top down. So if you want it in numerical order, you would have to misspelled basket there. There we go. If you want it in numerical order, instead of moving these around, I would suggest just renaming this 11, 12, 13, 14, and then it will update automatically in here. So that is it for drop-down lists. I hope you really enjoyed it, and check out my YouTube channel for more. Thank you very much.